To enter gifts in Virtuous CRM, users should always start with the Gift and Contact Import tool. Just select Gift and Contact Import from the menu on the left. There, click on the Import Gifts and Contacts button in the upper right to create a new import. On the new import form, the import type will default to Gifts. If you will be importing a spreadsheet of gifts from another platform, you'll need to format your import according to our import template. Then, you can click to select the saved CSV file for your import. If you will be entering gifts manually, for instance, a batch of checks, then select the Enter Gifts Manually option instead. Here's a tip. If you have gifts that need to be keyed by hand, it's generally faster to enter them manually in Virtuous, as opposed to keying them into the CSV template. If you have gift data that is already in a spreadsheet, then it's easier to format the data for import and upload a CSV. Next, if all or even most of the gifts in your import will have the same type, then you can select a default gift type. You'll learn more about the various gift types in another video. Similarly, if all or most of your gifts have the same date, go ahead and select a default gift date. You can also select a default segment and a default receipt segment, and even specify a default media outlet when importing gifts. Then, enter a value for the batch code. This code can be anything and should be based on internal business rules defined by your organization. For many users, the batch code may be a combination of the current date, the gift type, source, and the initials of the team member entering gifts. Then you'll see the option to enter a batch total. This number would be the total dollar amount for all of the gifts that will be included in your import. For example, let's say that you went through the incoming mail and put together all of the checks received and set up your bank deposit. So you know that you have $17,500 in checks to enter. Putting that value into the batch total means that once you've manually entered all of your gifts, the total amount of those gifts must equal $17,500, or else you will not be allowed to complete the import. The batch total is a hard control, so once it has been entered, it cannot be changed. This is an optional control, though. You can always choose to leave the batch total blank if you like. The import screen will still show a running total of all of the gifts in your import. Once you've entered all of the information for your import, click Save, and that will take you to the Import tool. Now, you are ready to start entering gifts. Check out the other videos in our series to learn more about gift processing in Virtuous.